tayo with Karakot and Misi. Still to follow. And Marshall will leave that Moneyball rack. As I mentioned, doon na naman sa dulo. And he will be starting from that right pocket. 25 was his score in the first round. Cold start for Marshall. Takes care of that third one. And mabilis na turn the tide nila si Turto. 5 in a row. 6 in a row. 7 in a row. Marcio!
Iwan mo.
Oh!
Ilan in a row yun? 9?
9 in a row, if I'm not mistaken. And he's got 15 points now. 18 the number to beat. And he ties. 1. This one for the lead. 2 racks to go. Lassiter burning the nets in Canton. Ang haba pa ng oras dito. 15 seconds in the last rack. Marcio 25.
Napatayo si Japet Aguilar sa mga pangyayari.
Marcio nanlamig sa dulo, but he matches
It's still good.
his performance from the preliminary round.
Still very, very good with those 25 points. Yun lang, yung bandang dulo lang, that Moneyball rack. I think he had 1 off of 5. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Pero yeah, still a very good number. 25 puntos para dito kay Marcio Lassiter.
He had all kinds of times, pero baka napagod. Baka napagod na sa dulo. Ang haba pa ng oras, he got there with 15 seconds to go, Jolly.
Jerica Hanmisi will prep yung mga bola.
Hanmisi scored 22. Earlier on, siya rin po ang nanalo ng obstacle course natin dito sa Canton. His trophy is plaque sitting right in front of us here. Iniwan dito sa atin, pinabantayan kay Escobar. Hindi niya alam, klepto to. Pinabantayan kay Jolly. Dodoblehin daw niya bago tayo umuwi ngayon.
Saya, no? Para lang nasa mga ligang barangay tayo. Di ba? Pinapatago. Yung t-shirt ko makihawak nga muna. Parang gano'n na pinahawak. Jerica Hanmisi, champion po siya.
Yes, medal pa, no?
Medal po.
Here we go. He wants to be a double winner, Jolly. And he's off to a nice start. 3 for 3 so far. Hanmisi knocks home the money ball. Oh, he's stroking it right now. Hanmisi's feeling it. Hanmisi with 13 through 2 rats. Oh, 16 halfway through. Dude is on it, Jolly.
Para sa akin, that's a very dangerous going against Jerica Hanmisi against Marcio Lassiter. Tingnan natin.
This is going to be a ridiculous number.
Goodness.
Hanmisi getting all the superstars up on their feet. 17 seconds left.
Lots of time.
29 already. Nauubusap din pa sa dulo. 30-point performance for Jerica Hanmisi. Wow! Hanmisi came to play on this PBA All-Star Friday. He becomes a double winner.
Well, he shoots that at a very, very high clip. Nakikita natin sa partner, di ba? Yung sa mga regular season natin. 30 plus 40% from 3-point area, 4-point area. Maganda rin naman yung percentage at nakita natin.
My goodness, Jerica Hanmisi. He was staring at a 25-point performance. He was staring at a 25-point performance from Marcio Lassiter. Sabi niya, hold my beer. Don't care. 25, easy. Diba? That is a big-time performance mula dito kay Jerica Hanmisi ng Terra Firma Jeep. Nanalo na siya ng obstacle course kanina. And look at him in his feelings right now, Jolly. What an all-star Friday for Jerigan
You
Misi.
pretty much called it, my friend. Sabi mo, nilalagay niya yung plaque niya dito kanina. Sabi mo kanina, magdadala ka ba ng isa pa? At eto nga, nagdala nga ng isa pa. Etong si Jerigan Misi. Magu Marshall is holding on to the plaque right now.
I want him to get that picture, both of them. I want him to get the picture of his 2 plaques. Papabot natin kay Camille, kay Anvisi, para makuhanan yung 2 championship niya. Pasok mo doon, Camille. Yan. Both of them. Jerigan Misi, a 2-time winner ngayong PBA All-Star Friday. This guy came to play. What a show he put on.
Alam mo, partner, yung value ng isang player, kahit mga All-Star games, ito All-Star, ito mga shows natin, yung value nila tumataas pa rin dito, di ba?